AI can now create full-length songs in seconds with tools like Refusion, Suno, and Udio. But can you actually own or license AI-generated music? Can it be used in films, TV, ads, or streaming? Let's break it down. What happens when AI creates music? AI music tools generate songs from text prompts. No instruments, no studio, just AI. But under current copyright laws, fully AI-generated music can't be copyrighted because there is no human author. When can you license AI music? If you modify, arrange, or add to AI-generated music, you might be able to claim ownership. Some licensing companies require proof of human creativity before accepting AI-assisted tracks. The legal gray area. Even with human modification, licensing platforms, streaming services, and copyright offices still debate whether AI music qualifies for legal protection. What this means for artists and content creators. For musicians, AI can be a tool for creativity, but not a replacement. For sync licensing, AI music is still in a legal gray zone, making big placements uncertain. For content creators, some AI-generated music may be used, but always check the platform's licensing terms. Final question. Should AI-generated music be protected by copyright? Should you be able to license tracks made by Refusion, Suno, or Udio? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more insights on AI music and licensing trends.